Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the last puzzle for today. The last puzzle, a tectonic with 1 star, not in today's newspaper on Tuesday, July the 18th, 2023. I've told you earlier today we have no extra puzzles, so I've decided to solve the yesterday's newspaper. Monday, July the 17th, 2023, and I've already solved 2 puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku. It's time now for the tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cypherblock, in Japanese Suguru, and this will be number 6774. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot, 19 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones is always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. Well, it's indicated with 1 star, and for 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box, because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box. Single boxes are always a 1. Do we have here dual box? I see here 1 dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple boxes then. We have here 1 triple box contains the 1 and 2 and the 3. Well, cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, we have here a quadra box. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Yeah, I need to wait. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape, the Z or the S construction? If you rotate this, alright. Let me draw this here. When you see the Z or the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay, only one Z or S construction. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. And then the following shape. How about the this I have not marked this. Alright, then the following shape. How about the L shape here? We have an L shape here. Can I place it here? No. Let me place it here. The L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Okay. And the last shape, we have also here another shape. Let me draw this shape here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. But we already have a 2 here in this area, so it can't be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. It's connected with that box should be also a 1. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 maximum 6 shapes that you need to recognize. Maximum 6 here. 6 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. Oh, overlook this one. This one is an L shape. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Alright. And here another one. Well, a lot. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, and those are the shapes. Yes. Okay, so let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. These 2 boxes surround 1 can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Then this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can't be a 1 anymore. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes surround 3. Oh, this box is connected with that box, should be also 3. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Let me mark those. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and a 4. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 or a 4. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more, that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. And 2 boxes left for the numbers. For the number 5, could be here, could be there. We need a 5 here, okay. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. This box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So the 2 and a 4 are left, okay. Here also 2 and a 4. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Well, this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 4. Oh, wait. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can't be a 2 anymore, so the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. We have a double 2 there, that means that this box can't be 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes, so it should be a 3, and that box should be a 2. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3. 2 numbers left in this L shape for numbers 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. That means that this box can be a 5 because we have a double 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. Then 2 and a 4, okay. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, Could be there. Okay. Alright, I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for us. 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for us. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. 3 and a 4. 2 and a 5. 2 and the 5. Come on. 2 and the 4. I think this box should be 2. Yeah, this box can be a 2. Again, this box can be a 1. Can it be a 2? We have a double 2 there. Can be a 3. Can be a 4. Yeah, definitely a 5 here. I've marked this box with 4 or 5. We have a 5 now, so this box should be a 4 then. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left with a 3 in the squash area should be there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in the squash area for numbers 1 and the 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there, and this box is connected with that box should be so 1. These 3 boxes for 1 and 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left with 1 in this area should be there. This box can be 2, this box can be 4, so the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this area for number 3. This box is connected with that box, should be so 2 or a 4. Here also a pair 2 or a 4. Here also 2 or a 4. Oh, we already have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 4. It's connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 digit left in this area for number 2. 1 digit left in this Z or S constructions for number 2. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be there, and this box is connected with that box should be so 2. 1 box left in this area for number 4, and this box is connected with that box should be also a 2. 1 box left in this area for number 4. We have 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I finished in 12 minutes. We solve again, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow on a Wednesday. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.